Okay, guys, here's judging that second pommels routine from yesterday. So, this was like a state finalist, 20 years ago, and a fourth in state routine. And since the rules have changed, it might be judged a little bit differently these days. So the gymnast starts out with a back loop, then goes into a quarter spindle, then does a travel up, then does a circle in the middle, a few of them, then does what we used to call a Bailey with an extra pommel loop, and now all you're going to get is a pommel loop for that. Then does a scissor out of that as he comes in, then does a scissor half turn, then does a reverse scissor, then does a travel down. Now at the end it looks a little confusing what's going on there, and the judge even says goes into a walk around. Technically what happens after the travel down is there's that circle on the end. The gymnast then goes into a Russian 180, which is really important for what we're going to get into in a minute. After the Russian 180, does another circle and then does a loop off for a dismount. So it's technically not a Russian dismount because the gymnast does an extra circle after the Russian 180 before the loop off dismount. So here we go. Okay, so going through this routine now, back loops are A's, they're in the book, quarter spindles an A in the book, travel up's an A, circles an A, pommel loop is a B, scissors an A, scissor half is a B, reverse scissors an A, travel down is a repeat, same as the travel up. The Russian 180 is an A, but this is going to be important that it's an A that's in the fig, and the gymnast did a 180 there. And then the gymnast does a loop off dismount, which is an A. So we definitely got 6 skills here, so we're going to start from a 6.0. Okay, now let's check out our element group. So do we have a circling skill? Yeah, plenty of circling skills. Do we have a scissoring skill? Yeah, we got that scissor half, and we kind of want to count the highest one first here. So we have a scissor half. Do we have a traveling element? Yeah, we got the travel up and the travel down. So we got the travel up there. And then do we have a fig dismount? Yeah, we got a fig there, but it's a fig A. So we get 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, and then 0.3 for the A dismount. So that adds up to 1.8 in the element groups. Okay, now how about difficulty? Looking at this routine, we got 2 B's and lots of A's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 A's, but remember we can only count 8 parts. So we got 2 B's and 6 A's. And then what I was talking about earlier, the bonus on pommel horse is for these flared skills and for turning elements in the fig that are going 180 or greater. So that quarter spindle up there is not going to count, but this Russian 180 is going to earn this gymnast a 10th bonus. So we're going to get 2 times 0.3, 6 times 0.1, and then that extra 10th of bonus for the Russian 180. So we have 6, 12, 13 in difficulty. So this start value now would be a 9.1 with our new rules. Back in the day that routine was an easy 10. Now looking at the deductions here, and again, pommel horse is hard. I couldn't have told you a single skill on pommel horse 25 years ago. I struggled to judge it, so therefore I tried to judge it the most. And I've now since judged state finals on pommels a few different times, helping place these gymnasts. So just keep practicing, keep watching the routines, and we will get better at it. So now the deductions, sometimes on horse, I'm trying to judge on the fly and not invent things later. So this is what I really did. This is as fast as I could write down and think about the deductions if I was keeping track of the skills. And maybe there's more deductions if you watch it on repeat, but that's not how we judge gymnastics. So on the fly I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Most of these for slight knee bends and lack of extension. This was a great horse routine. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 off. So under these rules, a 7, 6. Still a great routine. 6, 6. Oh, 7, 6. Yeah, what am I doing? 7, 6.